There are three things that are the most important things when you buy a new home. That's location, price, and quality. I got all three in this property. I'm gonna show it to you. But first, let's tell you about the community that this is in. This is in St. John's. So this is 10 minutes to the Domain, 10 minutes to downtown, 10 minutes to UT, and 4 minutes to Mueller. All of those things are the most popular things in the Austin area when you are buying or moving to the Austin area. Those are the spots you want to go to, and this has the best location. This is perfect for anybody that is looking to maybe have a little rental that's close to all of those things. Maybe you're going to UT, maybe you're working downtown. All of those things are the reasons why you want to buy this home. Now I'm going to tell you about price and I'm going to tell you about condition, but before we do that, let's step inside. Now, this is a 2015 build. Now, what we are getting here is a condo. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo at about 850 square feet. What's really, really great about this, again, is the location. But on top of that, you do get a nice size yard with this home. Plus, the quality of what they did in this home is fantastic. On top of that, everybody wants a garage space, and that's hard to do in the heart of the Austin area. You have a 1-car garage here. Now there is an A unit in front of this, so you're the B unit back off the street, which means that you are in a prime location. Nobody's bothering you right off the street. You have a great location for this property. Now let's talk about condition. This is a 2015 build, so you'll notice that they went through and put some nice touches. Look at the baseboards in this house. Absolutely fantastic. Look at the backsplash in the kitchen. Absolutely fantastic. You got a 3-centimeter counter. Fantastic. The layout in this kitchen to the dining room is nice, and to the living room, because you have lots of open space. It is an open floor plan and absolutely fantastic. Now, we'll talk about the yard in a second, but I want to show you, because the yard I think is one of the greatest parts about this property. Let's show you the 2 bedrooms. Now, both of these bedrooms are very good size. You have 1 bedroom that could be your primary bedroom, and then you have an office space. Maybe you want to have 2 full bedrooms. Both of them are fantastic. Great upgrades here in the bathroom as well. So this entire property is done exquisitely for a 2015 build here. So you're getting newer appliances, newer everything. Now let's talk about the yard space. Look how big this yard is. You can do a lot out here, and it is super private. So, and you get this really, really great patio space. So you can sit out here, drink your morning coffee, entertain guests, all of that fun stuff. So you want to know the price? This is listed at $400,000. So it is a great size condo and a great location, great for you. Drop a comment below. We'll hear from you in the next video. And oh, by the way, reach out. Today we're here at one of my newest listings.
What is that, Jeremy?
Oh, this right here. It's well, look, the real estate market's getting a little tough, so we're planting St. Joseph's.
Why?
With St. Joseph, I mean, what this does is, like, you know, it's kind of like good luck. Like you plant this guy upside down facing the house, and it helps the house sell. So it's what we're doing.
Okay.
So you want to see me do it?
Sure.
Okay.
Don't you just do marketing to sell houses?
Yeah, I mean, we do it all. We're a full service team. So we'll plant St. Joseph's, we'll do marketing, we'll do video, and then, yeah, we need all the good luck we can right now, okay? So what you do is just dig a hole right next to the listing sign. You put this guy upside down facing the house like that. You cover it up, and then bada boom, bada bing, sold.